मतलब काउंट के लिए पढ़ो यार, क्या आदमी है। ऐसे लोगों को मिलने में क्या मतलब, इट फील्स लाइक यू वांट टू इंटरव्यू हिम एवरी सेकंड टू गेट अ
Yes.
सेंस ऑफ कि ये टाइम पे आप ये क्या करते, मेरे लाइफ पे ये सिचुएशन है, व्हाट वुड यू डू, व्हाट वुड काउंट डू, इज अ क्वेश्चन दैट यू कैन कीप आस्किंग योरसेल्फ.
Kant is also a good philosopher.
Ah, G sharp, I believe.
Well, perhaps you'd like to come to my book club.
चोली के पीछे क्या है, चोली के पीछे, चोली के पीछे क्या है, चोली के
Welcome everybody to an evening at the Count's Saloon. We are going to talk about a book that has been a part of my life for the past 10-15 days. दिन रात यही पढ़ रहा हूँ सिर्फ, जो भी काम के बीच में टाइम मिल रहा है. The book's name is A Gentleman in Moscow, and I hope even if you have not read the book, the 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 best part about the book that I felt was it was very philosophical in the sense of what it was trying to teach or talk about or say. तो बस उसके बारे में डिस्कशन करेंगे. I also am trying, we should do some conversations about the philosophical part of the book, even if people have not read the book. I don't think, I mean, the different plot points of the book we can surely discuss, but generally I want more everybody to be involved in the kind of topics that the book has covered, so that it might make you more interested to go back and read as well. So we'll first begin with what part of the book you enjoyed and have some conversations around that. But before all of that, the one single line that the book stands for and has always built on, and I had sent this out in the morning as well, and it is basically the first quote sequence, like literally first two pages of the book, and I will begin with that and then put out the first question. The quote goes as per this. One second. Yes. The quote says, if a man, and this is one of the many principles a gentleman should live by, but if a man does not master his circumstance, he is bound to be mastered by them. So I hope you have mastered the book. And here, let's begin. The first thing that I wanted to know, and let everybody put in their feedback, even if you have read, अगर 10 पेज पढ़े हैं, 15 पेज पढ़े हैं, तो उतने में भी सिर्फ बताए, क्योंकि काफी चीज हो जाता है. लाइक पिछले पहले 40-50 पेज में यू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट इनटू व्हाट the count's life has been and what he stands for. So the first question was that pick any moment or any part of the book or any sequence or any scene that has lingered or that has stayed with you the most. To give an example, and I will let somebody else start, but to give an example, for me, the most influential part of the book was the Bolognese sequence with Sophia and Count. I'll come to why that was the case, but something like that. So, anybody who's read the book, even if the first 10-15 minutes, feel free to add into what you think was the most excite or most some sequence that stayed with you.
You can start.
Oh, hello. Deval, you want to start?
Yeah. So one of my favorite sequence is when, in spite of everything, Count actually leaves the hotel for a very important thing, right? That entire sequence of how he has to step out and what happens in the next few hours is something that was so amazing, because that was where the father-daughter relationship ka pura that sequence of how much he was ready to do anything for Sophia.
Yes.
That was something that stayed with me. And how that I forgot the name of that person who actually helps them out, जिसके साथ वो movie nights करता है for the English सीखने के लिए. I think it is I forgot. He's some diplomat from some
Take a second. I'll tell you the name.
रुक मैं भी
The ways of aristocracy and diplomacy जो सीखना चाहता है, right?
हाँ हाँ हाँ. What is the guy's name? Osip or something, right? I think it's Osip. I'm not sure. एक तो इनके नाम बहुत अजीब होते हैं. So that is the
Mhm.
guy who is trying, helps him out, and entire sequence is sort of a little
Osip Ivanovic.
Mhm.
Osip Glibanov, something. So that is my favorite sequence, and the second is again all the conversation that Osip and the Count have while
Hmm.
watching those amazing movies and talking about the books, and that dinner. जो वो they have that regular meeting for dinner. That is one of my favorite things because it's such a ground for intellectual conversation that it's amazing.
Lovely. Ash?
I'm trying to, I don't know, it's very difficult for me to pick a favorite, but I really like the sequence or the sequence of events which lead up to the fact where he decides कि उसको अपनी बेटी को बाहर भेजना है, right? I really like that part of it a lot, where he finally, realizes that the daughter is stuck with him in the hotel, and वो उसको एक realize होता है ना कि ये अपनी life भी यहीं बिता रही है,
Hmm.
and she needs to get out. That part I really like. Yeah, I think I'll stick with that.
Super. For me, as I said, for me, Sophia and Counts, I think that sequence, like when I was reading that sequence actually hit me so hard that I was almost like I almost had such genuine emotions about it, that it is such a simple, clean, and so detailed and so well written, that how Count is trying to teach Sophia about a lot of things in life through just making bolognese, right? And the joy of like him talking about what onion, carrot, and celery
Mm.
represent, what ground pork and beef represent, that what does red wine and stock represent, uh,
Mm-hmm.
that they're trying to build, like through red wine and stock, he's trying to show that how experience is critical, and that Sophia will get it as life happens to her and use it. But it all of it starts at the fundamentals. Even if you're making the biggest or the most complicated dish in life, you will
Mm-hmm.
always need an onion and a carrot, a celery to begin with, and that's how fundamentals are needed and things like that. So that sequence of the whole cooking thing
Mm-hmm.
in Count's kitchen, talking about every single conversation between them while they were making that bolognese, was, I think, the most impactful sequence to me. Of course, the whole book and the philosophy of the book in various spaces have been, but I think that was the most fun, most well written sequence. I think teaching the next generation a lot of things by not, and the one very critical thing that I have a lot of belief in this is that instead of reading or talking, do things. And that's what was represented with that cooking sequence as well, that he
Mm-hmm.
was trying to show that, like, do make the bolognese. Instead of some of these things cannot be learned by reading cookbooks, you have to start making it, and that's how you learn. So I think that was one very nice sequence.
Yep, I agree.
Anybody else wants to?
Diljit?
I think Diljit is out or something.
Oh, okay. Sumit?
Sumit,
Mm.
mute.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. So before we move to next question, or like
Ji.
next general point, what was your opinion about the book? Both of yours. What did you? What? How was this? Was this a good book? How was it a good read? What would you want people who have not read the book? Would you recommend this? And if so, why?
Yeah, I think it's a wonderful book. एक तो रशिया के बारे में भी जानने का बहुत, I mean, I
Hmm.
learned a lot of things that I had to Google and read about it, right? एक it's just after the Russian Revolution and before and it covers a lot of historical events that from a Russian point of view इतना नहीं पता था. So that was something that I really liked. And Count's life is एक तरीके से सीधा line. There's nothing, I mean, even though he's in a closed space, he still gets impacted by a lot of things.
Yes.
So I think that was a wonderful thing. Plus, how just one building can become a universe.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
fascinating, and every time वो मेट्रोपोल होटल के बारे में कुछ नया नया पता चलता था. The
Hmm.
people who are working,
Hmm.
the aristocratic rituals, and just that fine conversation. If you remember, there is this person who's and there are so many wine incidents around
Hmm.
Count.
Hmm.
There is one person who's trying to propose or is on a date, and he's
Oh yeah.
Hmm.
such
Hmm.
a cute thing that he does for them, and to ensure कि वो साथ साथ वो भी same चीजें order कर रहा है. So I
Hmm.
think that was such a wonderful. Some of those incidents that are described may not have a direct impact on the main story, but that explains so much about the ending, uh, because the
Hmm.
reveal that happens, and
Hmm.
that is when you feel the अरे यार count क्या चीज मतलब as a person he is such an amazing
Hmm.
human being, apart
Hmm.
from being whatever he is.
Hmm.
But yeah, it was just, and the guilt that he carries because of his sister's death. There are so many instances that just stay with you के अरे यार ये बंदा तो बहुत सही है, इसके साथ इतना बुरा नहीं होना चाहिए था.
Yeah.
What I like about it is, matlab, obviously, Deval has already covered a lot of ground. So it seems like this होता है ना generational saga book. So
Hmm.
you come
Hmm.
into it, it feels like an entire saga of a story, or तुम एक mammoth उठाने जा रहे हो, but इतनी प्यार से it flows, right? It does not ever feel overwhelming, you know.
Hmm.
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 It captures your attention, and the facets it touches upon, like तुम philosophy के बारे में देख रहे हो, you're talking about the Russian greats, you're
Hmm.
talking about the entire Russian cultural revolution right? You're looking at the great poets of the time. वो इसका Mikhail जो है, you're looking
Hmm.
into you have this, uh, you get to be right in the middle of the Russian oppression, as well as the resistance,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
Both the sides of it तुम्हें दिख रहे हैं, and you're there. You can see the writers, you can see the poets. You are talking about philosophers. Chekhov के बारे में कभी बात हो रही है, right? So it feels, really you've been put into a point in time, और तुम पूरा वो 20-30 साल उसकी जर्नी ले रहे हो रशिया के थ्रू,
Yeah.
and you're there and you understand, and obviously the entire motive or the entire thing about being locked in your own mind versus freedom के ऊपर जो पूरा है,
Yes.
that is तो है ही है पूरा उसका underline. So it's a beautiful read. Not like एक तो है तुम उसका as a story, as a character है ही है, right? That is it what it is.
Hmm.
But even the other aspects of it, right? Just the amount of information in this book, it's amazing,
Hmm.
right? तो तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है कि भाई कितना कुछ पढ़ लिया मैंने. By the time you end the book, you're like, crap, that was a lot of things that I read. So almost doesn't feel like one single book if you think about it. So yeah.
To give a context to people who have not read the book, this begins in 1922, where basically early Lenin is alive, and early Soviet consolidation and points of those, and goes on, like I think the last end of this is around 61, 62. So you see Lenin die, sorry, you see, I think, yeah, you see Lenin
Oh,
die,
Stalin.
you see Stalin die.
Yeah.
Stalin's death also is such a critical
Yeah.
part of the book, and then you see like the Cold War starting and all of those as well. So that's how long the whole saga of Count and his story is.
His entire lifetime now almost.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, I mean, even film is so critical in the like the different parts of life
Art.
are like different art forms, music, performing arts,
Hmm.
all of that. Even that Anna's film career and him watching
Hmm.
with Osip, all of those. Uh,
कितना fascinating है ना. I know I'm digressing a bit, but film के बारे में भी जो entire discussion about how the roles changed
yeah.
and how they changed actually. Hmm. मतलब कैसे एक ने जाके बोला तो उसका एक्सप्रेशन देखकर he got in
Yeah.
favor. That entire chain of events जो है.
Yeah. I think for me the most this when I was uh, when I was reading about Satya movie Satya, the
Hmm.
even RGV and everybody around it, even Kashyap used to talk about how critical and how important the most
Hmm.
important character in that movie is Mumbai and most
Hmm.
Barish ka Mumbai, like rain
Hmm.
Mumbai, right? Here, the most important character in the book through and through that has held Count's hand through the whole book is the hotel.
Yes.
Metropole. Yeah.
And like how beautifully like the author has written, like randomly he goes on the digression that if you want to see this, you have to go into this hotel room, and if you want to see if you want to throw tomatoes on the people in below, you have to go to this hotel room. And like the way through different chapters he takes you into different, like doors have doors and wo wala whole sequence,
Hmm.
like so well, so nicely. And the best part about it is that Count is discovering these rooms while we are discovering it.
Yeah.
Everybody around him has already does know about these spaces, like even Nina knew about when she began the whole thing, and when she
Hmm.
but,
Hmm.
but Count, even though stayed 4 years there, he did not know. But because he realized his life is there, then the urge of exploration, and
Yeah.
to also enter the room first time as the Count is entering. And that is such a lovely way to put your audience also in that situation. Favorite side character, both of you? Do you have it?
Hmm. I'm trying to think.
Tough. Hmm.
His friend was a great friend. The
Or both.
hotel guy.
I'll put both. Favorite side character and favorite relationship with
Oh, that.
Count.
See, I like as a character मुझे मिश्का बहुत सही लगता था. मतलब
Uh,
कुछ भी जब अतरंगी बातें करनी है तो मिश्का को ले आते थे.
uh,
Right? He would write a letter. He would कभी रेवोल्यूशन कर रहा है, कभी वो पोएट्री लिख रहा है.
uh,
But I think OSIP was a great वो भी conversations काफी अच्छी थी OSIP वाली.
uh.
I'm just trying to think what एक तो वो दो मुझे काफी इंटरेस्टिंग लगते थे. But as a character जो इसका दोस्त था, the manager of that
Maitre D.
Maitre D. Yep, that guy. I can't remember the name. निकोला नहीं, क्या नाम था?
मेटर डी का नाम, हाँ, और एंड आंद्रे था ना?
Andre, right.
Andre, yes.
Andre was such a good friend to him throughout.
Hmm.
So I really appreciated that. और but yeah, I think मिश्का या इनमें से एक था which was
I love.
OSIP probably. Yeah, बोलो देवन.
नहीं, I love the one of my favorite thing was वो जो तीनों मिलके उनकी जो महफिल.
हाँ,
Triumvirate.
बैक पेपर
Triumvirate.
आप में और बैक पेपर करते थे वो तीनों.
Yes.
बहुत क्यूट था वो तीनों.
So from that itself, my favorite side character was Chef Emil.
Yeah.
एमिल.
Like he's मतलब आदमी इतना ढीठ कि सैफरन लेने के लिए अरेस्ट हो जाए, बट उसको
हाँ.
परफेक्शन चाहिए अपना खाने में.
Yep.
I mean, the uh, and some amazing lines. I've written one down because it was so funny when I read it. Memory, one of his lines was, "Sauce is the apology the cook makes to the ingredients." I mean, it is ridiculous to have that kind of behavior. But kya mast ekdam. And yes, and Chef Emil and the triumvirate, the relationship between the three of them,
Yeah, that was so cute.
and the conversation. It was like as if Count has found a family in
Yes.
him. Like it was like his family away from not having one and having gone through so many years of being alone. He had found a family there.
And from having people serve him to being
Yeah.
a friend to them, that was the journey that he makes. Like eventually when he joins the hotel staff, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's probably, and there is this brief I think where who's that manager type of person who calls him to the office and says that we should probably not call you Count anymore. And then the staff still calls him Tuck.
Heliki.
I forgot the name of that character, but oh,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
द मैनेजर ना, जो अनोइंग कैरेक्टर जो था.
हाँ, इनिशियली जब when this
शुरू में ही होता है ना ये तो.
हाँ, काफी शुरू में होता है, पहले उसका रूम चेंज करते हैं
जी जी जी.
to not, I mean it's not even a room, right?
Yeah. But I mean, that whole sequence of him discovering that there is a room behind that,
Hmm.
वो सारी चीजें कितनी मस्त, so well they weaved that in.
Yeah, and the kind of importance that he gives to the room in terms of कि मेरे books कहाँ जाएंगे,
हाँ.
going to ensure के and when Sophia comes into his life, so
हाँ.
do you remember how he tries to balance those mattress on a can of tomatoes? तो वो इतना hilarious sequence, इतना hilarious है, where he's just trying to make space for Sophia in his life.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I think for me nothing beats Sophia and Count's relationship, and also
हाँ.
like that card that Nina gives to the Count, right? When she's leaving the hotel. I think that was the turning point where Count started feeling that I'm not in a jail. There's a lot that I can explore without stepping out.
कार्ड क्या था मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा.
Nina is Sophia's mother.
हाँ, नहीं, कार्ड में क्या था वो मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा.
Hotel key card या whatever that is.
Oh,
ना?
That
the key
key
card,
card
right? Okay,
that
okay,
takes
okay.
to every
मुझे लगा वो
room,
कार्ड. हाँ,
that
हाँ,
opens
yes,
every
yes,
door.
got it.
That
Yeah,
opens
yeah, की कार्ड, हाँ, got it. मुझे लगा कोई कार्ड बना के दिया था, लेटर लिख के दिया था, वो मुझे बिल्कुल याद नहीं आ रहा था. ओके, गॉट इट. की कार्ड की बात हो रही है. मैं कंफ्यूज हो गई.
था वो पूरा, पॉसिबली की कार्ड तो भी होते हैं, बट द होटल का हर जगह का चाबी दे के जाती है.
हाँ, समझ गया. मैं ही कंफ्यूज हो गई.
That opens up, like I felt that was also somewhere like a fantasy,
It's
right?
a precious gift to give, ना.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And what a insightful gift for a 10-year-old to give to somebody who is an adult. कि इसको इसकी जरूरत है.
And that conversation with Nina where they are discussing please and thank you. I mean, वो इतना छोटा चीज है, but you can understand what Nina's whole thought process is. That yes, I will say please and thank you if I've asked for it. But अगर मैंने मांगा ही नहीं है तो मेरे को thank you क्यों बोलना है?
Yeah. So I think that relationship with Nina, it was more like a adventure, but with Sophia, of course, it was a whole.
Father and daughter.
And it comes at such a time, like when Sophia comes into Count's life, I don't know if Sophia needed him more or he needed Sophia more. And
Yeah.
all his and one thing that I noticed, or at least I think that is how it happened, was all the important events in Count's life happen near that elevator. He meets Sophia near the elevator. वो Anna को भी every time they meet near the elevator. उनके जो दो main encounters है with Anna only ना, the sir. हाँ, Anna only, I think it's her name. वो सब कुछ वो elevator के पास होता है when he is on the steps and elevator के बाजू वाला steps पे. So I feel that is also such a important, I don't know, just a witness to what is unfolding in his life or where his life is going next.
And to a person who never takes the elevator.
Yeah, he always takes the stairs.
Always takes the stairs. And the stairs was one of his daily rituals. But that brings me to another very great. I mean, you can't talk about Count without his daily rituals. The
Yes.
10,000 different things, his breakfast service, everything. So, what was something memorable that you found Count doing that was, or his behavior or his way of living that you think you would want, even if you don't have it already in your life, you would want to bring it in your life?
His discipline probably.
Yeah.
Because
His attention to detail, मतलब वो छोटी
Exactly.
छोटी चीजों को कितना प्यार से और रिस्पेक्टफुली करता था, which are inconsequential in so many ways, right?
Yeah.
मतलब उसे अगर एक किताब भी उठानी है तो कैसे उठानी है, उसने अरेंज भी करी है तो कुछ सोच के करी है, राइट?
Yeah.
जो थॉट वो हर चीज को दे रहा है, which is ridiculous and pointless after a point, but crap, the amount of fucks he gave.
Yeah.
So that's, yeah.
I also like how his morning ritual involves a specific breakfast every single day.
Yes.
Boiled egg toast, and a cup of coffee. And that too in a very specific, coffee has to be made in a very specific way.
Yes.
Nothing. And also uska exercise ritual. I think it is mentioned somewhere that sit-ups या whatever. I don't know. कुछ तो करता है exercise भी, which is
Uh,
everything is so ritualistic in his life. His morning ritual is something I would like to someday
yeah.
adopt.
And to the morning ritual every day is so to the T. Matlab, every morning, what time he wakes up to what he does immediately, then what kind of clothes he wears, breakfast in the piazza, all of those. And I will read exactly: soft boiled egg, toast soldiers, a silver pot of coffee, and a newspaper pyramid, Pravada in Izvestia, plus any foreign broadsheet a porter can smuggle in. And then folds each
Okay.
paper into exact quadrant before reading. A small geometry lesson in courtesy is what he says.
Okay, I have to change it. I think one thing is reading the newspaper.
Ah,
I love reading newspapers. मुझे वो मेरा favorite काम है. And I miss reading newspapers.
ah,
Physical newspaper. So that I have to say.
yeah.
I also loved the games that these two used to play. And not just in terms of वो dinner वाले games, yeah. Even when एक दूसरे के लिए कुछ ना कुछ छोड़ के they used to, you know, those, and that's when the accident also happens with Sophia.
Ah,
The games that they both used to play with each other.
carom billiards and chess and the treasure hunt and all that.
Even things that they used to do between, like, I forgot the name of that game, where they used
छुपन छुपाई.
name a category and then उसकी related सारी चीजें बोलते थे.
Hmm.
It does not come up with that word, they lose it.
Ah, yes, yes.
Some zoot game or something it was called. I don't remember the exact name. वो dinner time उनका ritual होता था. They used to say cities. Then they used to talk about all the cities, and whoever cannot name another city in that gaming sequence loses.
Lose.
And that was also his way of just being a part of Sophia's education in a way.
Yeah. Like I think the first half of the book till Sophia is not there. You are seeing a different count. A count who's more inwards. Like he's looking in. He's trying to find his own space. Then as soon as Sophia comes in, the whole conversation turns around. Ki how can he help her? And then he's ready to move, do anything needed. All of those.
Yeah, and before Sophia comes into his life, he was he was gonna die also, right? वो जो coffee ritual on the rooftop with that security guard है या कौन है मैं भूल. It is also so nice, and they talk about pigeons, or I think pigeon only. That which bird do they talk about? No, bees. They talk about the bees that ये बंदा and that honey वाला पूरा. And that is somebody, I don't think the guard or whoever was squatting on that rooftop did not know कि कौन क्या करने वाला है. I think you know that unknown person or known person is just saved his life.
The bees of the metropole.
Who is that person who is working with the hotel only, na?
Yeah, मेरे को नाम देखना पड़ेगा, याद नहीं. Yeah, I mean, there's so many office like the like the best first 4 or 5 lines that the count says, you know who he is as a man, because when they ask him what is his occupation, and his response is a gentleman. It's not a gentleman's job to have an occupation. Like, you understand what his thought process and where he comes from.
Yeah. It is such a, yeah, that's a brilliant one.
Yeah, and I mean, any specific, the best part about, and that's what I was been saying, that the way that whole setup is built, that you are confined in a space, that
Hmm.
freedom, like the physical freedom does not exist,
Hmm.
but with support of people around, that Count found, and opening his own perspective, he
Hmm.
realized that there's so much life to live inside a hotel that he's stuck in, and
Yeah.
how we spent 40 years of his life there with him, right?
Yes.
Exploring this whole thing is so, like, it's so beautifully written, the whole writing sequence, and the detail in writing, like कोई भी रूम में घुस रहे हो तो सिर्फ 10 4 चीज नहीं बता रहे हैं,
Yeah,
सब
yeah,
कुछ
yeah.
बता रहे हैं. What is the feel of the room, what is kept where, why is it there, where is it, like even the kitchen behind the uh what behind something, and every single thing that you enter a new room into, you realize, and you can visualize it so well कि okay, ये room में ये हो रहा है, ये room में ये हो रहा है.
Yeah. And that is also, I think, a journey, right? When he goes back to his first room after years, वो वहाँ जाता है, and then he goes and sees that the grandfather clock,
Yeah.
actually something that was a part of his own, I think that belonged to his grandfather or his ancestors. It has stopped working. So along with the deterioration of the overall beauty of that hotel over the
Okay.
40 years, because that has obviously gone down, but it
Yes.
also is such a metaphor on how the time in a way has stopped for him, क्योंकि उसके
Hmm.
लिए तो वही पूरी दुनिया है. So the stopping of that grandfather clock, and even though he's in the danger of getting discovered, वो वहां देख रहा है उसको in the
Yes.
room where he's
Ah.
hiding to steal something. या तो वो जल्दी आ जा. I think he's trying to steal a suit or something.
And and that foreshadowing is done so well, like starting में जब वो रूम शिफ्ट कर रहा होता है,
हाँ.
तभी तभी वो ग्रैंडफादर क्लॉक पे बहुत सिग्निफिकेंस है कि I want to take it but I can't, I don't know where I will keep it. There is like a full monologue that he has with his own self, like dialogue that he has with his own self कि can I take this whole grandfather clock, how will people carry this whole thing there, and वो सब, and then he chooses to keep it back.
Yeah.
That comes back at the end of it.
I mean, it's very descriptive. So first 30% of the book, it feels like, भाई आगे बढ़ो life में, हमको भी बढ़ना है. But then it picks up so beautifully because, and I think that journey for the first 30% is also important क्योंकि उसमें ही बहुत सारा context set होता है about the hotel and Count himself as a person. And then it's a complete change. So, yeah.
I mean, the impact that Sophia gets into Count's life, you can only value it if you knew Count before Sophia in his life.
Exactly.
Oh, that, I mean, that father-daughter relationship, or like, or what you very well said, कि did Count need Sophia, or did
Sophia need count, yeah. Iglu, we can't hear you.
am I back? Can you
Yes.
hear me now?
Yes.
So that, like, that whole, this plus like, I think, as I mean, I have never been a fan, like I've never enjoyed reading long descriptions about spaces. I realize now why I should be enjoying it, but I think the excitement in this was that the Count was also finding these spaces as I was.
Yeah,
So it
yeah.
wasn't ki the Count was telling me, it was just him learning about these spaces along with me, which seemed very natural in sorts. Like it was like I was right along with him in when he was opening doors after doors. Like when he realized that the room that he has is very cramped up, but he realizes that Nina had said that every door opens to another door, and can there be another place? And then he opens the cupboard and knocks and realizes, and then breaks it open and kicks it, and all of those. While he's doing that, you're then, and then he goes into the other room just so that he has enough space to put his books. And
Yes.
and you realize that the man has such defined principles कि ऐसा नहीं कि वो नया रूम मिला तो कुछ और वो जो उसके किताब है वो उसके लिए उसको नया रूम चाहिए था बस, और मतलब रूम को एक्सटेंड करना था बस.
Yeah. And even that manager who, towards the end, the one that he holds hostage and all, वो वाला मैनेजर जब उसके रूम में आता है and he's trying to, when Sophia is supposed to go for that ballet event, right? And then Anna and somebody else is, I forgot who it was, but वो दोनों वो रूम में छुपे हुए हैं and अचानक she just comes in.
हाँ.
I forgot. I actually मेरे को देखना पड़ेगा. But what I'm trying to say was that Anna and Count का भी relationship. मतलब who would have thought that if you're confined to one
Yeah,
building, still can have this amazing relationship with another person?
exactly.
How is that
Anna also risks so much, right?
important to Count? मतलब मुझे it took me so long to accept that fact.
Anna also risks so much, na?
हाँ, that is the kind of devotion.
Hmm.
Again, end में I don't know if spoilers देना है कि नहीं है, but end में भी the last scene where Count is going to his that Piggly or whatever that his estate.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then the end is that there is a woman waiting for him, which I obviously think is Anna, but
Yeah.
I don't know. That's left.
इसके end काफी open रखा है इन लोगों ने ना, open to
At that
interpretation.
cafe.
Yes,
Something, no? हाँ.
yeah. End open रखा है और जगह क्या है वो भी नहीं बताया Ash. They've not.
हाँ, मतलब पता है मैं इसके बारे में थोड़ा रेडिट में गई थी करने के लिए, एंड इट इज लाइक 2-3 थियोरीज है. एक तो चल रही है कि इज इट अ ड्रीम, राइट? एक है कि ही इज एस्केप्ड रशिया, दूसरा इज स्टिल इन रशिया. सो
हाँ, नहीं
देयर
बताया.
लाइक मल्टीपल थिंग्स.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so I read about the show. Where does the show lead? And I think the show is cancelled for the next season.
They were gonna do seasons क्या?
I think so. They were going to. I don't think this is the whole. They finished the whole show in this. Because they introduced Sophia in it, it seems, but I don't know if they finished the whole
सोफिया
season.
तो मैं
तो 8 एपिसोड है.
तो
हम्म.
एपिसोड
And they,
नहीं हो सकता.
yeah, and they reach till only till
यार पता नहीं, एक बार मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे को
Radio.
वो हो गया है कि एक बार मैं बुक पढ़ लूं उसके बाद मुझे सीरीज देखने का मन नहीं करता.
हाँ, मुझे
लाइक आई
भी
हैव नॉट सीन केमिस्ट्री वाला भी मैंने नहीं देखा, लेसन्स इन केमिस्ट्री.
मैंने भी नहीं देखा.
I mean, I love that book so much that I don't want to see any other interpretation now.
And मेरे को ये शो इसलिए नहीं देखना है because the hotel Metropole in my mind is very different.
Yes.
And I feel कि अगर मैं शो देखूंगा तो मेरा वो बच जाएगा परसेप्शन कि this is what
मेरे mind
Anna
में
looks like.
खिचड़ी बनी है एकलव्य. For me the hotel is, some part of it is from Titanic, some part of it is from some part of it is from that अपना what is Home Alone 2, Lost in New York. तो वो second season में when he's in New York.
I have no idea. देवल, जब तूने बोला ना अभी कुछ, तो मेरे दिमाग में होटल कामत क्यों आया, but continue.
And like even the count in my head looked very different from Ewan McGregor.
Yeah.
तो जब मैंने ये फोटो देखा आज लगा अरे यार, मैं सोचा कि ऐसा कोई लंबा मतलब चौड़ा एकदम, मेरा थॉट प्रोसेस में वो था. एंड लुक्स वेरी लाइक फियर्स.
Regal.
Yeah, very fierce, but he's a very gentle soul kind. This.
जबकि लेसन्स इन केमिस्ट्री में तो इट्स दैट मार्वल ना, तो मुझे फिर भी थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट है.
Brie
But
Larson. Brie
हम्म.
Larson. But मुझे फिर भी नहीं देखना है. I don't want to see what they've done.
Yeah. So yeah, that's what I'm very much in two minds. मैं अभी तो नहीं देखूंगा because because of that reason कि the hotel, like every room in the hotel in my head is very different from what I'm sure they are going to represent.
Yeah.
Isn't that sequence जैसे हम रूम की बात कर रहे थे, when they play in that क्या बोलते हैं, they're playing hiding things and playing games, right?
Yes.
Initially.
Yes.
That is also a cute sequence when she hides it, or she moves the chair to make it sound that she's hidden it
Between
somewhere.
him and Nina, this is na.
हाँ,
हाँ,
I think it's Nina, right?
हाँ, हाँ.
क्योंकि सोफी या नीना है.
दोनों है, पहले नीना के साथ होता था एंड देन
वो सोफिया के साथ
नहीं,
थी.
सोफी के साथ है ना. सोफी hides it in his own
किट द कॉइन ना.
yeah.
हाँ,
हाँ.
हाँ.
सोफी, दैट इज सोफी.
अच्छा, coming to philosophers,
हम्म.
that entire conversations about philosophers and Chekhov, अब मुझे ढंग से सारी डिटेल्स याद नहीं है, but when you read about it, ऐसा लगता है ना ये रशियन literally these writers and philosophers have been through it to write such pieces of art. मतलब
या
ये ब्रदर्स का काम ये ब्रदर्स कामकोव और काजमाकोव क्या
कर्म
कार्माकोव राइट
कर्मजोव.
ऐसे ही नहीं लिखा है उसने.
बट इफ यू हैव, आई मीन, जितना मैंने थोड़ा बहुत रशियन राइटर्स पढ़ा है, दे ऑफ कोर्स लियो टॉल्स्टॉय नहीं पढ़ा है मैंने, एंड आई थिंक ही वाज.
डॉस्टोव्स्की तो पढ़ा है ना.
हाँ,
डॉस्टोव्स्की तो पढ़ा है ना.
हाँ, दोस्तोयेव्स्की, थोड़ा बहुत चेकोव भी पढ़ा है. दे मतलब उनका जो वर्ड्स है और द फिलोसफी और एवरीथिंग, दिस इज सो मच ऑफ थिंग्स दैट आर गोइंग ऑन. इन 2 लाइन में वो इतनी सारी चीजें तुमको दे देगा that you have to stop and just think about it before you can proceed. So I feel Russian literature is not very easy to consume in any way. फिर वो तुम्हारा ये कोई भी हो, आई फाइंड एक्सेप्ट फ्रॉम लियो टॉल्स्टॉय, क्योंकि मैंने सिर्फ उसकी 2-3 शॉर्ट स्टोरीज पढ़ी है. आई हैव नेवर बीन एबल टू रीड आइदर एना करीनेना और व्हाट इज हिज अदर वन, वॉर एंड पीस. मैं पढ़ नहीं पाई हूँ अभी तक, बट आई
अरे हाँ, वॉर एंड पीस आई फॉरगेट.
हैं.
वॉर एंड पीस का पहला चैप्टर मैंने बहुत बार पढ़ा है.
मैंने एना करीनेना का बहुत बार पढ़ा है.
मैंने बहुत बार वॉर एंड पीस फर्स्ट चैप्टर पढ़ूंगी अब मैं, फिर फर्स्ट चैप्टर के बाद खत्म.
Yeah. They also talk about that वो फूल का ही है ना पुतला. वो
किसका?
वो होटल के पास देयर इज दिस स्क्वायर वेयर वो प्रोटेस्ट देखता है दूर से. व्हाट इज दैट स्क्वायर व्हिच आई थिंक इट इज निकोलाई गोगोलाई. इसका पुतला मैं भूल गई. द स्क्वायर वेयर दैट.
Yes, yes. Wait, I'll tell you the name. एक minute.
इसीलिए ये पढ़ के तुरंत करना चाहिए यार. भूल गई हूँ मैं बहुत कुछ.
वो
आई थिंक इट्स
there is
गोगो.
a Marx का statue also somewhere.
पुष्किन.
पुष्किन का है.
हाँ, पुष्किन. द स्टैच्यू ऑफ पुष्किन इज नियर द होटल. तो ही कांट गो आउट, बट ही कैन दूर से वो देख सकता है वो. तो वो 2-3 बार
Bolshoi Theater.
हाँ. No, the statue that I'm talking about is the Pushkin.
पुष्किन.
पुष्किन
हाँ.
का स्टैचू होता है. The conversation he has with his that friend also, right? The poet.
हाँ, मिश्का तो है वो.
हाँ. वो भी बहुत ऐसे
मस्त कॉन्वर्सेशन है.
तो
हाँ, मुझे तो बहुत सही लगती है यार. कहाँ मतलब ये लोग लड़ रहे हैं मतलब what fascinating lives these guys have led the Russians. And also मतलब okay, जो ये पूरा एक्ट्रेस की तरह बताता है ना, how she fell out of favor, she came back in favor,
Anna,
then she
yes,
started doing
TV.
revolutionary roles. पहले वो as a pretty face roles कर रही थी. Then she started with the communism, and इसके साथ she became the hardened face. How she lost her thing because of her voice.
Yeah.
हाँ मतलब fascinating. कहाँ से उसने घुमाई है, and various facets of the Russian evolution of life in Russia उसने अलग अलग एक ही कैरेक्टर के थ्रू बता दी. कि पहले ब्यूटी को एम्फेसिस था, फिर वर्किंग वुमेन को इन लोगों ने दिया बढ़ावा, तो वो रोल्स मिलने लगे उसे.
And that sequence where you remember, she just starts discarding her clothes. एक बार पहनती है और फेंक देते. and then her maid or somebody, matlab whoever is the assistant at that time, and this is when
Hmm.
she's at her prime, right? जब वो that
हाँ.
entire sequence also is like it sort of foreshadows how her next part of her life is going to be, because वो बंदी बोलती है कि तू ऐसे ही फेंकती रहेगी तो you are going to go bankrupt, and that is what happens also, right? She has to drastically cut down on her luxury that she was and in one of the sequence it also is very subtly mentioned when her room type changes. वो पहले she was staying in one of the best rooms and then
Sweet man.
हाँ. But I'm also happy when she went back to that glory that she deserved. She was not written off as just a character.
Yep. बर्तन धो रहा हूँ.
That was her, I think she was just struggling with how people perceived her, just as
Yeah.
a pretty face. So her struggle was deep within. It was also a personal struggle that she was going through.
And yeah, and that I mean, the best part about all of this is that what we are speaking about has happened inside one building.
Exactly. Again, we have to keep
So,
reminding ourselves.
so much has just happened inside just one building. 40 years of a man's life has been in there.
Decade, same building.
And that brings me to like there are 2-3 like thought topics or thought conversations that I wanted to do with everybody who's there on the call, whoever wants to pitch in. But before we go to that, if there is any closing points or you want to talk more about some part of the book, we can. If not, then I want to ask some questions that came into my mind while I was reading the book.
हाँ पूछो. I think we can move.
We can.
Lovely. So the first thing that I wanted to ask was now the book made me question one very critical thing in my life that I thought I had a sense of, which was what freedom means,
Yes.
right? And for me, like the freedom of choice of being able to travel anywhere at any time, like the reason that I don't do a job and all of this, the perception of that in my mind has always been that I need the freedom to be able to run anywhere, to be able to go anywhere. अगर कहीं जाना है तो कुछ रोकना नहीं चाहिए. But looking at a man being able to live 40 years of his life while falling in love, while being a father, having filled up those relationships through and through, you really question yourself whether what does freedom actually mean? Does confinement mean you're like free? Like does freedom mean physical or mental, or can it be that you are physically free but mentally not? And what does freedom mean? So that was a very critical. Do you guys have any points on that?
Yeah, you keep about thing that
Ashes back.
सुमित तो कुछ बोल रहा है क्या?
Sorry. मेरा ego था वहाँ पे थोड़ा.
अभी हाँ आशा
हाँ, बोलो.
बोलो
That philosophical question whether just when somebody commits a heinous crime, just taking away their freedom is important. Is it enough or not? ये वैसे वाला एक तो that is something philosophical about it, right? That even though Count was a prisoner, in true sense he was a prisoner, but he also had freedom. So the paradox of being free and even then you are confined to this limited amount, and he was वो किसी तकलीफ में नहीं था. He was not through any hardships like a typical prisoner would. But was that enough? Or was it something that if given a choice, I would have chosen what Count has to go through. And I don't think any form of confinement is good for a human being. So I don't think I can ever be that person, even though I like staying at home a lot. But it's after a little time it would get to me, and it is suffocating. That and that struggle is very apparent when Sophia gets hurt, right? and
Yeah.
he's just trying, and because वो क्योंकि बाहर नहीं निकला, he doesn't know how the world has changed in decades, even though there is just this Delhi's बोलते, like the Delhi's only he has to cross, but
Yeah.
outside over the decades has changed so much with respect to technology, with respect to um infrastructure, a lot of other things, right? So I don't think, I feel like, and that's where maybe we admire Count, that he made the best of it, and he made such a huge sacrifice. मुझे तो वही समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, how could he do this for 40 years?
And without complaining about it once, till the Sophia incident. I mean, in his head, he lived his life full.
Yes.
मतलब वो जो हर रोज कुछ ना कुछ नया, but every day he wakes up to doing something new. I mean, to be able to have that, this, and of course, once Sophia came into his life, his purpose of life got defined much more clean. While before that, he was just trying to live his life through it.
But Eklavya, if you think about it, right, and because you've read the book, how much of a struggle or how much of it would have added more to his life when Sophia came into his life, right? He couldn't get out because he was
Yeah.
making huge sacrifice for somebody. And now there was an added, I'm sure he must have had that conflict के अभी मेरी जिंदगी मेरी अकेली की नहीं है, and I want Sophia to have the best of life. And though he then continues with the loyalty that started this whole thing. That I don't know if I would have been human enough to be able to do that.
Yeah. And I think a lot of decisions that Count made through his life are very, I mean, are are not everybody's cup of tea.
Yeah.
The kind of sacrifices in his own thought.
One more point I wanted to raise about freedom. ठीक है
Hmm.
ना? So we were right now talking literally about the how do you call it? The autonomy to make decisions, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Versus confinement, right? हम इन दोनों को कर रहे थे compare. But another thing is the freedom to take his own decisions in the metropole versus the suppression जो बाकी के लोग बाहर कर रहे थे. Those who were outside, were they really free? Because एंड्रे जैसे उसका घर ले लिया, डाउन साइज उसको छोटे घर में भेज दिया, राइट? He was stripped of so many rights, the people who were outside and who were actually free, right? तो इस बुक में कहीं ना कहीं वो भी थीम चल रही है ना साथ में कि he is in metropole but he has probably more autonomy on
Freedom.
his decisions, right? Than Andre and his wife, who had lost a son and were living, and they had to keep
Pretend.
light on. वो उसको बल्ब ऑन रखा था ताकि उनका कमरा ना छीना जाए, right? तो वो भी एक, I think, theme. There was this theme also in the book, I think.
Yeah. Was.
Right.
The
I mean,
grandeur
the
of Metropole
Also, yeah.
and
Also, this book also reminded me of
terminal.
ये क्या नाम है, विक्टर फ्रैंकल, man's
Terminal.
search for meaning, man's search for meaning.
हाँ,
There's a
men's,
book called Man's Search for Meaning, Viktor Frankl ki.
yes.
That book is basically this guy who's in a Holocaust में, he's in one of the chambers, right? He's living in क्या बोलते हैं, Auschwitz, I think Auschwitz में है, concentration camp. And how he survived that because in his mind he had the freedom to live, kind of, right? तो I think उसमें उसने काफी कुछ इसी बारे में किया है कि he was choosing his response in his mind and he had isolated himself. That is the way he survived. Like, as long as you have control over your mind, right? Even if you're bound in a place, and that of course is a real story. It's not a fiction. It's not fiction. That is non-fiction, right? Where Viktor Frankl का अपने accounts हैं. So that kind of is, obviously that is non-fiction. So that is philosophy text में, I think, आ जाता है वो. But this guy is also confined, but he still had his faculties and he had in his own mind he was living, and he was not he was choosing to take decisions, choosing to, you know, be
Yeah.
responsible about things.
Another thing that this while I was reading the book reminded me of was the Terminal, Victor Navrosky ka
Yeah,
story.
yeah.
Like,
Tom Hanks.
Tom
Tom
Hanks.
Hanks.
Even that is a true story only, right? Like
Hmm.
how does a man live inside a terminal for years and years of his life, right?
Yeah.
What does life look like? The sacrifices that they have to make.
Yep.
So, I mean, the question then comes, like as you said, Ash, the who was more free? Was the man who was stuck in Metropole Hotel more free, or the people who were struggling through the Russian
Hmm.
oppression more free because they were just outside and weren't bound physically?
So, इतने हम जो बातें कर रहे हैं, जितना तुम बात करो इस बुक के बारे में, उतना ही रियलाइज तो हो गया था, उतना ही क्या बोलते हैं, उतना ही मेरे मुंह में वर्ड्स आ रहे हैं विच आर रिडिकुलस, बट उतना ही सीमेंट हो रहा है कि कितनी प्यारी किताब लिखी है
Yeah.
एमा टॉल्स ने, कि इतने सारे थीम्स को उसने बड़े प्यार से इंटरवीव किया है ना। एंड इसने मतलब रशिया का आपको बैकड्रॉप देकर ये सारी थीम्स लेकर कितना कुछ बोल दिया है। जस्ट टेल्स यू अबाउट हाउ रिच द बुक इज and how many, the fabrics and the layers that are there in this book.
Yeah, and there are so many type of freedom, right? What you talked about, Ash, very truly is the chef who goes outside has as a life of his own. He can step out, but is
Yeah.
also tied to the fact that hotel ही उसका दुनिया है in a way. And then
Hmm.
the entire parallel of gulags, जहाँ पे Nina goes with her husband, which is a different kind of hell, right? It is where her husband is confined for this
Yeah.
some kind of sedation.
Serbia, Gulag. Yep.
So that is also, and that is the worst place. In fact, it is a worst place to be. Russian dogs are the worst kind of
Yeah.
things. So that वहाँ पे freedom तो is a dream only. And you remember that when she leaves Sofia with Count, and both of them know that they are never seeing each other again. That that stays with you for such a long time that नीना को भी पता है कि वो अपनी बेटी और काउंट को नहीं देखने वाली है, and
Agree.
Count, although he's just met Sophia, he has a very huge soft corner for Nina because she's a part of his journey at the
Yes.
hotel. So that also he realizes and that even Sophia's father, right? He thought that it is that cool dude who was with Nina. The father of Sophia was that guy, but it turns out to be the other not so good looking guy who is just supporting Nina in that छोटी सी मुलाकात होती है उनकी when Nina is at Metropole Hotel for college से आती है तब. You remember?
वापस
हाँ.
जी.
Yeah.
And ma'am, I mean, counts this towards
क्या
ये
है?
वाली किताब में
Gulag.
पढ़ने,
हाँ, गुलाग.
ये वाला पढ़ने की कोशिश जारी है.
It's a horrifying place on earth. If I'm sure it's easily one of the top 10 horrifying places on this planet.
ये एक्चुअली मुझे ना उसकी एप्पल बॉम की पढ़नी चाहिए थी, वो एक बुक में खत्म होती, ये ट्रांसलेटेड वर्क उठा ली है मैंने, ये तो कभी जिंदगी में खत्म नहीं होगी रशियन बुक पढ़ना ट्रांसलेटेड.
यार मेरा सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम विद रशियन बुक इज मुझे उसके नाम आई जस्ट गिव ऑल द कैरेक्टर्स वन नेम इन माय ब्रेन
हाँ.
एंड ओनली देन आई कैन गेट थ्रू इट अदरवाइज निकोलोविच उसी में मैं इतना खो जाती हूँ देन आई हैव टू गो बैक एंड
Alsatian Alexander is veg. Anyway, sorry, I digressed.
no that's fine.
The book is this way. It keeps digressing while you are in middle of something, and then gets you back, and then again takes you somewhere else. And I think, I mean, I count to, I mean, he does not say it out loud, but his actions say it much more. That Nina was the reason that he realized what exploration in the hotel can look like.
Hmm.
Oh, that
For
him,
sure.
like him going and listening to gossip, listening to those politicians room for the
हाँ
first
हाँ
time,
हाँ
even
हाँ
though he hates bending and crouching because Nina said we should go, and then he enjoyed those conversations and fascinated by the conversation, and then comes back and he realizes, oh, this is actually fun.
Yeah.
Would never have happened if Nina was not,
also
he did not
doesn't he have such an open mind मतलब वो he is not pro revolution फिर भी वो revolution की बातें सुन रहा है उनके सुन रहा है कि अच्छा ये क्या बोल रहे हैं समझने की कोशिश कर रहा है क्यों बोल रहे हैं trying to relate to it right
yeah.
Yeah.
he's never dismissive of anybody he is always ना उतना ही fair chance दे के सुन रहा है सब कुछ उतना ही attentively सुनता है सबको
And it's
that
such
is
a
so
rare quality to have for a person who has defined morning schedule, defined principles. For a man like that to be able to listen to an opposition's point of view and accept कि ठीक है कुछ हो सकता है इसमें, is such a, I mean,
तो
such a refreshing thing in
I
its own
really
sense.
हाँ I really appreciate people जो एकदम जब किसी की बात सुनते हैं तो एकदम blank slate की तरह सुनते हैं कि
जी
without any imposing your own
Good.
biases or your own thoughts तुम बस सुन रहे हो फिर तुम करो उसको जैसे इंटीग्रेट करना है अपनी लाइफ में बट आई
I
truly appreciate who can do
it's for
this हाँ
calm
बोलो
way to stay updated on the current affairs and also build relations, right? Yeah.
हम्म
Well, that is where he meets that ambassador also, na, जिसको he sent
हम्म
that when he agrees to sort of spy on
हम्म
to get that passage for Sophia, the
Hmm.
American only, na, it is.
Yes.
अमेरिकन या
Sure, somebody, I forgot the name again. So that's how he's just trying to
कैरेक्टर लिस्ट तो खोल ही रही
relationships जो
हूँ
एक दिन उसको काम आने वाली है. So I think Count that makes a very calculative move.
Hmm.
He's also ensuring कि वो redundant ना हो जाए and there is some way in which and it's also the time when aristocracy is anyways declining after Stalin and Lenin come into the power, right?
Hmm.
वैसे भी वो as a count is going to get irrelevant in he knows that.
अमेरिकन द काउंटमेंट इज रिचर्ड वैंडरवेल
Richard.
रिचर्ड
Richard.
वैंडरवेल
Somebody, I forgot the last name. I just remember the first.
हम्म मैंने अब
And oh,
सीधा
that
कैरेक्टर लिस्ट खोल ली
the count knew like exactly how to network.
Exact.
हाँ
His skills of talking to everybody, the way he greeted from the first step that he entered the hotel. When you're with him and he's
हाँ
coming with the two guards and how he addresses the people in the lobby, how he meets the bellboy, how he gives every single thing is so well showed ki you know he's trying to make everybody feel good about him being around so that he can survive through his years and how he can get there like it's and it's done very it's not done with purpose it's not ki he's doing it out of will कि मेरे को ये बाद में help करेगा he genuinely is a person that way.
Yeah. Even the first, the start of the book where he gets sentenced, right?
Yeah.
वहां पे भी वो अपना sarcasm नहीं छोड़ता है in the start also.
Yeah. वो तो बहुत जबरदस्त कॉन्वर्सेशन है वो पोयम पढ़ने वो लोग बोलते हैं पोयम पढ़ने को और
हाँ.
वो सब उसमें ही सेज कि इट्स नॉट अ काउंट्स जॉब टू इट्स नॉट अ जेंटलमैन्स जॉब टू हैव
Yeah.
एन ऑक्यूपेशन
Yeah, yeah. It is brilliant. It is cool.
और कोई पॉइंट्स याद आ रहे हैं मैं ढूंढ रही हूँ जरा कैरेक्टर्स लिस्ट तो मैंने खोल दी है उसमें रॉस्टॉफ की बात हो गई प्रोसिक्यूटर तो स्टार्टिंग में होता है बेलहॉप सिस्टर सिस्टर का इतना कुछ रोल नहीं था ना सिस्टर वाज जस्ट देयर एज अ रिग्रेट
हाँ मतलब दैट
Yeah.
वाज हिज थिंग दैट इज वाज होल्डिंग हिम बैक वाला
मिश्का और मिश्का उसकी वाइफ
food is so critical in the like food
Yeah.
and like drinks like so
वो
many things
रिमेम्बर
around
देयर इज दिस
wine
सीन अबाउट बेकरी जब वो वापस आ रहा होता है एंड जब वो हॉस्पिटल से वापस आ रहा होता है इन दिस बेकर्स ट्रक एंड
हाँ
ही सीज दैट ब्रेड
yes
फ्रेशली बेक्ड ब्रेड क्या सीन था वो
Yeah, and they talk about the ingredients also in just
oh
वो तो जैसे इसने बताया एकलव्य ने
साथ में
पहले ही,
पूरा
है ना?
है।
अरे वो बोलोनीज वाला तो क्या सीक्वेंस है यार मैं तो बहुत। फिर वो स्ट्यू, लैटवियन स्ट्यू।
Latvian
हाँ,
stew, yes.
फिर
the
the bishop and Emil having like the debate about French omelette.
Yes.
ये मुझे याद नहीं बिशप और इसका. I'll have to look it.
Knife, remember the knife? They are
हाँ
eating about the knife.
मुझे वो obviously that is तो there ना, the saffron, the milli fuel, the Napoleon या
हाँ yes yes
मिली फ्यूल जो बना रहे होते हैं वो लोग, सारे
yes.
इंग्रेडिएंट्स सालों से इकट्ठा कर रहे थे. 3 बार बनाते बनाते मिस हो गया.
Did it make you want to try Russian food? Have you tried Russian food? Any of you?
I mean bolognese I've had, but उसके अलावा ये लैटवियन स्ट्यू और तो कुछ उसपे फिर they spoken about the dry whiskey.
Hmm.
If you're talking about a stiff Russian, then yes. Uh, or a Moscow mule, then yes.
काम की चीजें ही पता है.
हाँ.
there is वो हाँ then that there is वो वाला भी कुछ ना जिसमें वो एंड्रे और एमिल और काउंट तीनों मिलके कुछ खाना बनाते हो.
हाँ, वही तो
बासी.
मिले फ्यूल नेपोलियन, जिसमें वो
हाँ यस 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 यस
एक बार सैफरॉन आते आते रुक गया था तो बना नहीं पाए थे.
बना नहीं पाए थे. यस यस यस.
अरे राम, क्या मतलब वो जो बना रहे होते हैं.
वो तीन लाइक दैट थ्री द थ्री वो जो क्या
Triumvirate.
ट्राई व्हाट ट्रायम्विरेट.
हाँ, ट्रायम्विरेट, दैट्स द
वो
वर्ड.
तो बहुत मस्त. वो लोग का बहुत जबरदस्त. दैट दोस कॉन्वर्सेशंस
क्यूट
आर
है,
सो गुड
बहुत
टू
क्यूट है वो लोग. दैट इज अल्टीमेट क्यूटनेस इन दैट बुक, उन तीनों
यस.
की कॉन्वर्सेशन.
The one character we didn't talk about is the seamstress.
शी इज नाइस,
She's also the one who teaches Sophia things.
काइंड सोल ना.
What was her name?
सीमस्ट्रेस, ढूंढती हूँ.
एक तो नाम सारे.
हाँ,
Cool. What else?
कैट, द कैट.
द कैट नाम था उसका.
नहीं नहीं, एक कैट थी ना, एक आँख.
मरीना मरीना सीमस्ट्रेस का नाम.
मरीना, राइट. एक कैट भी तो घूमती है
वो
मेट्रो. स्टार्टिंग में उसके कमरे में होती है.
हाँ
हाँ हाँ
हाँ वो स्टार्टिंग में.
एक
यस
काली बिल्ली.
यस 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 यस. मरीना इज ऑल्सो. नाउ आई रिमेम्बर्ड. वो जो इसका नीना का जो रूफटॉप वाला इंसिडेंट के बाद वो जाता है ना
हाँ.
to stitch the this to mend his clothes.
Hmm. Even that she helps babysit Sophia till he finds a way for her to be occupied and all.
हम्म.
School ka and all a lot of
सोफी का कैरेक्टर यार क्या बढ़िया दिखाया. शी इज trained by mother to be the strong child, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And how she's accommodating her father, understanding what's going on, growing up, right? सोफी का कैरेक्टर भी कितना अच्छा दिखाया है.
yeah.
Every character is so like as a side characters are also so well fleshed
Thoughtfully
out.
written. So well fleshed out and so thoughtfully written. So yeah.
सो सबको पसंद आई है ये बुक जिस जिसने पढ़ी है.
Yes.
यार मुझे तो पसंद आई.
मुझे भी बहुत
जी जी.
पसंद.
तुमको नहीं आई?
नहीं, मुझे भी बहुत पसंद आई. मैं जस्ट मेकिंग श्योर, क्योंकि
हाँ.
कई बुक जब हम पढ़ते हैं ना
हाँ,
तो
हाँ.
मुझे इतनी अच्छी लगती हैं, बाकी सबको किसी को अच्छी नहीं लगी हुई होती.
नहीं, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छी लगी भाई.
मुझे भी बहुत अच्छी लगी.
सेम.
हाँ, लिखने में
मैं
बहुत वो बोलो बोलो.
मैं कह रहा था, आप सबको पता लगा था कि वो भागने की तैयारी में. मुझे बहुत मतलब जब उसने मतलब जिस रात जब वो रात शुरू हो गई, जब वो भागने वाला, तब मुझे पता लगा कि वो जाने वाला है.
नहीं उससे पहले तो आई हैड नो क्लू. मैं आई थिंक वो बुक ऐसा लिखा गया है ना कि मेरे तो ध्यान ही नहीं था कि ऐसा सब कुछ, लाइक मैं तो कुछ अलग ही चीजों पे फोकस कर रहा हूँ वो टाइम पे।
मैं भी
हम्म।
मैं तो कह रहा हूँ क्या यार मस्त, मतलब क्या खतरनाक इंसान है।
है ना,
अग्रीड।
जुगाड़ू एंड खतरनाक।
खतरनाक।
हाँ, जुगाड़ू और खतरनाक, सही बात है।
भागना ही था यार उसको उस टाइम पे, क्योंकि people were starting to recruit him for spying and other things, and
Also, you have to remember he's the guy who came back to Russia. He was outside Russia. He did not have to return. He's the
या
character who returned to Russia.
yeah.
and I like how, like in the starting, if you go back and read again, he doesn't lie about the poem either. Like he doesn't like
Hmm.
lying, so he doesn't even lie. He just says when मतलब जब वो पूछते हैं कि तुमने लिखी थी poem, कहते हैं लोग कहते हैं मैंने लिखी थी।
हाँ, यस यस यस
हाँ
यस यस। अरे वो कॉन्वर्सेशन बहुत जबरदस्त है वो, उसका वो
हाँ, बहुत जबरदस्त
जो
कॉन्वर्सेशन है वो भी, बहुत ज्यादा।
इसमें होता है, जो
Quote.
कोर्ट में होता है, वो बहुत मस्त
हम्म।
कॉन्वर्सेशन।
मतलब उस कॉन्वर्सेशन, जब वो कॉन्वर्सेशन शुरू हुई थी ना, तब मुझे लगा था यार बढ़िया बुक, बढ़िया होगी, जब वो कॉन्वर्सेशन शुरू हुई थी।
yeah.
इट्स अ ग्रेट, क्या बोलते हैं, वे टू शो अ कैरेक्टर। वो पूरा
या
बिफोर यू नो व्हाट काउंट डज, यू नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन इज।
Yeah.
या व्हाट्स योर फेवरेट पार्ट ऑफ द बुक?
आप बताओ, आपको क्या।
मेरा,
हाँ।
आई थिंक जो मेरा फेवरेट पार्ट रहा है, जब वो पियानो पहली बार पता लगता है, जब वो पियानो सीख रही होती है।
Sophia.
हाँ, सोफिया जब पियानो सीख रही होती है जब पहली बार, और उसे पता लगता है।
उसको लगता है।
उसमें बहुत अच्छी लाइंस हैं, जब वो मतलब जा रहा होता है, और वो मतलब सोच रहा होता है कि मतलब इतनी अच्छी अच्छी लाइंस है ना उसमें, जब वो बोलता है, एक वो लाइन थी कि ये पहले, उस सीन से पहले ये डिस्कस कर रहे होते हैं कि मतलब हमारे लिए आजकल के दिन में कोई मतलब मेजर चीज नहीं है, हमारे लिए सिर्फ ये दिन एक छोटी से मतलब एक हमारी जिंदगी में एक बिंदु की तरह है। और फिर वो कहता है कि हाँ, मैं मेक श्योर करूंगा कि इसे ये सिग्निफिकेंट मोमेंट हो उस लड़के की लाइफ में, जो सिखा रहा होता है उसे। बहुत मतलब तीन चार बहुत बढ़िया लाइंस हैं उस सीन के अराउंड।
थ्रू द बुक लाइन एक दो तीन, हर हर चैप्टर में दो तीन लाइन तो इतनी मस्त मस्त मारता है ना वो। मतलब
Yeah.
हाँ,
उसके बोलने के इसमें वो फिलोसफी पुट फॉरवर्ड करने के लिए, थॉट प्रोसेस पुट फॉरवर्ड करने के लिए। सोफी शोन एज अ पिच परफेक्ट चाइल्ड, राइट? शी हैज
Yes.
परफेक्ट पिच, ऐसा करके।
Yes.
हाँ।
Picture perfect.
नहीं नहीं, पिक्चर परफेक्ट नहीं, मतलब शी हैज परफेक्ट पिच ऐसा दिखाया है ना, बताया है ना वो लोग
न-
The
कि वो शी कैन ग्रास्प पियानो मच फास्टर देन द अदर पीपल, दैट वो बाहर से जो आ रहे होते हैं
yeah, yeah, yeah.
उन लोग से भी बेटर, ऐसा सब।
So that I was quite curious. Is this author, does he have some sort of Russian heritage? Like he's written about such like इतने उसने डिटेल में लिखा है फिलोसफर्स और इसके बारे में, क्या ग्रोइंग अप डिड ही नो अबाउट इट व्हाट? बट नो, ही इज अ अमेरिकन गाय हु जस्ट स्टडीड सोवियट एरा.
हम्म।
So I was quite fascinated about.
And
Like,
he's because the whole book is in the hotel, the
hmm,
description of outside Russia isn't, मतलब you are living through
hmm,
it।
Hmm.
ऐसा नहीं
hmm.
है वो, मतलब बता नहीं रहा है लेनिन का हिस्ट्री क्या है, स्टालिन का हिस्ट्री है, बट वो इतना यू लाइक अंदर इतना चेंज हो रहा है, तो उससे यू कम टू नो व्हाट सिचुएशन इज आउटसाइड बेसिकली।
Yes.
और एनीथिंग एल्स बुक के बारे में डिस्कस करना है?
आई थिंक मैं तो जो जितने पॉइंट सोच के आया था, फर्स्ट आई हैव टू अगेन थैंक this group of people to have made me read a fiction book once again in my life. I hope to continue this journey, but ये तो बहुत मस्त बुक है। हाँ, I'm
बहुत बहुत मुझे लगा नहीं था इतनी अच्छी होगी, जेन्युइनली
या मुझे भी नहीं लगा था।
बहुत अच्छी बुक थी।
नहीं, the person who I suggest, like who he bought me this book and gave me the book saying कि read it, तो and वो मेरे हाथ में आया था अप्रैल 25 या 26 के आसपास, एंड तभी फिर मैंने सोचा कि अगर मेरे पे जुल्म हो ही रहा है तो क्यों ना सबको लेके डूबे। But
सही बात है।
this turned out to be a very phenomenal book. Genuinely, I enjoyed this book so much कि the philosophical angle of it makes you think so much, so deep. And जैसे as Ash said कि the more you read to it, the more you discuss, the more you talk to each other, you start realizing how, like, you start like making it very clear uh, how different thought processes can work, and how the writer has tried to say something without even telling you or letting you know of it, but to subconsciously you are actually thinking about it.
थोड़ा पैलेटेबल फिलोसफी है इस बुक में।
जी जी, lovely, super, thank you so much. I appreciate everybody's.
आयुष ने बुक पढ़ी है?
किसने बुक पढ़ी है?
आयुषी।
हाँ, आयुषी ने बुक पढ़ी है।
Hello. We are good.
How long have you known me for?
उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम है आयुषी।
I actually tried reading it. मैंने ऑडियो बुक भी डाउनलोड किया।
Nice.
मैंने पूरा शिद्दत दिया आज, मैंने सुबह से
और कितना पढ़ा?
12% से ज्यादा नहीं कर
12 सेकंड
12%
12% ऑडियो बुक का
नाइस।
किंडल
तो
का।
हो गया ना, 100 पेज तो पढ़ ही लिए होंगे।
नहीं 100 पेज थोड़ी होते हैं।
40-30 पेज तो पढ़ ही लिए होंगे।
तीसरा चैप्टर पे होंगे।
पढ़ो पढ़ो, बट ये बुक प्लीज
Acquaintanceship.
एवरीबॉडी शुड रीड।
या इवन नॉट इमीडिएट, मतलब although the book of the month पास हो चुका है, but do read the book, it's worth it.
यस, एग्जैक्टली।
I agree, it's really good.
मतलब काउंट के लिए पढ़ो यार, क्या आदमी है।
Yeah.
ऐसे लोगों को मिलने में क्या, मतलब it feels like you want to interview him every second to get a sense of कि ये टाइम पे आप ये क्या करते, मेरे लाइफ पे ये सिचुएशन है, what would you do, what would Count do is a question that you can keep asking yourself.
Count is also a good philosopher.
Yeah.
मुझे लगा तू जब बोला ना काउंट के लिए पढ़ो, आई थॉट यू वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द गुडरीड्स काउंट, एक काउंट बढ़ा दो उसके लिए पढ़ो।
मैं ये सब बात करने से पहले काउंट को 1+ करना चाहता हूँ। चलो, सुपर, थैंक यू सो मच गाइस, दिस वाज लवली।
Thanks.
सुमित रिकॉर्डिंग बंद कर दीजिए।
एंड मेरे को ये थैंक किनको बोलना है, दिलजीत भाई को, कि उन्होंने पुश किया मेरे को 29 को करने को, नहीं तो मैं तो 1 हफ्ता 1.5 हफ्ता और आगे पुश करता, बट उन्होंने बोला नहीं 29 को करना ही करना है, तो उसकी वजह से मैंने बुक भी खत्म कर दिया 29 तक।
Thank you, Dev.
बढ़िया बढ़िया बढ़िया।
But yes, thank you Ash, Deval, Jigarjeet for putting in your this. Everybody else, please read the book. Please read the book. The book is phenomenal, and the main character Count, you will fall in love with him. I don't see any other way to say it.
I mean, this book took us out of the book of the month ka slump after a year. So I think I'm guessing it would be good.
Yeah, I agree. Same
Like,
for me also.
I don't join, but I am reading every book. Like, I don't
slump as
have
in
the time
the
to join.
last
What
discussion
what
was a
Jigar-
year ago.
what Jigarjit wants to say is speak for yourself, Sumit.
Yes.
Yes,
And-
I'm reading every book you guys tell.
कांटू जैसे तू पढ़ रहा है।
जिगरजीत का
पर मैं बोला नहीं ना कुछ।
I am
जिगरजीत
saying the discussion का ये slump हुआ था
Yeah.
1 साल
अच्छा,
पहले
अच्छा, अच्छा।
मुशायरा का ये किया था।
नेक्स्ट इस
अच्छा।
महीने की बुक कौन सी है?
प्रेम
मैंने
प्रेम हैज टू पिक
नहीं अंशुमन का।
अंशुमन की है ना,
वो
जून की बुक।
100-year-old वाला।
and jumped out of the window and
वो
disappeared.
मैंने पढ़ रखी है, तो इसलिए आई एम ऑलरेडी डन विद दैट बुक।
हाँ,
Which book?
It's a fun.
छोटी बुक है क्या देवल?
हाँ मतलब छोटी is such a subjective thing यार एक
इससे
लगे।
छोटी है क्या?
इससे छोटी तो काफी
इससे तो बहुत
मेरे
छोटी है।
मेरे लिए तो ये भी बहुत छोटी थी।
हाँ you read a lot of fiction, fantasy fiction ना जिगर, इसलिए
या
वो तो 8
माय
पेज के नीचे होती भी नहीं होगी।
हाँ, वो तो बहुत बड़ी बड़ी होती है, ये तो बहुत छोटी छोटी थी। मतलब मजा
और
आता है मुझे, मतलब ऐसी छोटी सी बुक में भी, क्योंकि फिर नया पर्सपेक्टिव, नए बुक, मतलब ये तो मुझे बहुत बढ़िया लगी थी बुक।
या This is nice.
चोली के पीछे क्या है, चोली